Hi academic writing students, I wanted to make this short video to talk you through your formatting for your references page. So you can see I have my two sources, and first thing you want to do after you make sure it's Times New Roman 12 is go ahead and adjust your spacing. So we want this to be double spaced. And you can see that I don't have an extra space in between my two sources. And that is because we're going to be using something called a hanging indent to separate our sources. So you can highlight your sources. You're going to go to Format, Align and Indent, down to Indentation Options. And here you're going to be choosing the special indent hanging. And what it's going to do is leave the author's name or the first word of your source all the way to the left and indent everything else. So your reader can easily scan your sources by looking down the side here and see the author's last names. A couple more things. You want to make sure that your references are alphabetical. So I'm just going to go ahead and move this first. Delete this extra space here. And lastly, the title of your page is going to be References. Oops. So here I'm going to be center aligning, bold, Times New Roman, size 12, references. There are other ways to create this hanging indent. So some people prefer to use the ruler function, and you can do that instead. So if you were to do it that way, let me show you what that would look like. So you would highlight your sources again, and then you're going to be dragging this bottom bar over to 1/2 inch, and then you're going to keep this top bar all the way over here. And that's going to indent the second line by 1/2 inch, which is really what our hanging indent is. So feel free to use whichever method is easier for you. Some people prefer the toolbar, other people prefer using the hanging indent option. Thanks for watching this short video.